Hi, good day, Ma'am Karen. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi po, I'm Karen Joy Mendones, 27 years old from Nueva Vizcaya. Ma'am. I have three kids, boys, married po, married to Kevin Mendones.
All right. Then, do you have any brothers or sisters?
Sisters, ma'am, I have two sisters.
Okay. Then, please tell me your educational background.
Mm, I finished my bachelor degree with Bachelor of Science in Biology last 2018, ma'am. I graduated last 2018, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Then, how would you describe yourself?
Mm, I am honest, hardworking, loving mother,
Okay.
sister, and daughter.
All right. Then, may I know the reason why you want to apply abroad?
I want to apply abroad, ma'am, to sustain and to support my family here in Philippines, especially my kids in their school, and also to help my mother, ma'am, to support my sister for her um, school
All right.
since she is a graduating student, ma'am.
All right. And then, do you have any work experience abroad?
No, I don't have any work experience abroad, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any work experience here in Philippines?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I have work experience here in Philippines last 2022 to 2023, ma'am.
Okay. So did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I finished my contract.
Mhm. So please tell me your duties and responsibilities as helper in here in Philippines.
I do cooking, cleaning, um, do the laundry, cleaning the house, ma'am, and taking care of kids.
Okay. And then are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Ma'am, I do.
Okay. So are you scared of dogs and cats?
Sometimes, ma'am,
Okay.
sometimes.
Okay. So how do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook Filipino dishes, ma'am. Especially cooking adobo, sinigang, and um a lot of Filipino dishes, ma'am. Especially I want to learn also how to cook Chinese food.
Okay. So do you have any food allergy?
No, I don't have any food allergy, ma'am.
Okay. So do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Ma'am?
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work
Yes.
abroad?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Okay. How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any body tattoo?
No.
Okay. For the last question, Ma'am Karen Joy, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Hi, ma'am, sir. Good afternoon. I am Karen Joy Mendones. Please hire me. I am honest, hardworking, and mm, I promise to finish my contract, ma'am. Hope to see you soon. God bless.